SDSU 3-semester block teaching credential orientation overview. For those of you that do not know, I am a prior service active duty U.S. Marine, and Simplified DOS is the Marine Corps motto meaning always faithful. In Latin. Hence, I named this, as you can see on screen here, the motivated, dedicated, hard-charging, and always faithful 3-semester block. 3SB, 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 well, that was for you, Professor. So, if we go to next slide here, basically this is the program overview, what I took away from my experience during the credential orientation. One thing that stood out is there will be no time for friends or family. Student teaching, and the classes for the credential program equal minus. That's how our life will consist of. Another thing I picked up was trying to make money through a job is a bad thing. At least very hard to do. And one of the last most important one was 5 years of teaching after credential, then maybe, possibly, you might sort of be a good teacher. On to the next slide. To elaborate a little bit more on those two topics, friends, family, and fun, there will be none of that nonsense during this program. You maggots, as my drill instructor may have said, had this been teaching credential boot camp. The reason being, it's a fast-paced program, it's very time-consuming, in-depth, and involved. But one thing that makes me feel a little better is imagine how rough it is for the 2-semester block. Obviously, one of the main things that was talked about and I took away was the experience of student teaching. We are lucky, and the reason I like the 3-semester block is because it does give me that time to be able to work the first semester, as we only have the required 5 hours per week of the in-depth observation. The spring semester 2019 will have 3 or 4 hours of student teaching per day, and fall 2019 5 to 6 hours per day, which I am looking forward to very much. Next slide. To elaborate on making a living, despite being in a 3-semester block, there is not much time to work a full-time job. As people in the panel did talk about a lot. In the second semester, there is basically no time for work whatsoever, student teaching all day and then having classes in the afternoon and evening. And the third semester, from a couple of the people on the student teachers on the panel, I might be able to pull off a couple nights of weekend shifts at Starbucks, which seems like a pretty good gig if you ask me. But the moral of this slide is that if I want to get through this credential program, I'm going to need to grab a straw and suck it up. That's another Marine Corps reference from Sergeant X. First Marine Expeditionary Force, First Marine Headquarters Group 4. Being a good teacher, the accomplishment of acquiring a preliminary credential or clear credential does not make you a good teacher, or even a teacher for that matter. As you said, Professor, when you actually get a job teaching, you are then officially a teacher. However, as you stated, it's going to take a minimum of 5 to 10 years as a teacher before you can even possibly become a good teacher. And that's only if you work hard, enjoy teaching, and put a lot of time and effort into teaching and connecting with your students. And this last slide here is just a couple links to the credential handbook and orientation slides. And I'll go over it there briefly. Here, let me expand the screen. Oh, I guess I can't do that now that I'm recording, but here is the credential handbook. And obviously this goes more in depth with the student teaching, the MTPA, and everything that this program entails. And then, of course, here is the overview of the orientation sites where the professor Gimland introduced herself and the Dr. at TPA went into a little bit more details of that. So, here's my first attempt at the screencast-o-matic, and I'm looking forward to this semester and the rest of this program. Oh, I guess we're going over 5 minutes. So much to talk about, and I'm so excited.